Hi, boys and girls. Good morning. This is Miss Flat. Hope you're having a great morning and ready to start your day. Sixes, today you are going to be working on a lot of review on your chapter 10 on data. You are going to be taking a test tomorrow, so you have some review work. You also have an acrostic poem to work on. 7-year-olds, you are going to be working on math lesson 11.9, equal parts of a whole. And then for literacy, you're going to see a video on civil rights and Martin Luther King Jr. And you are going to then do a little research on a website called Ducksters, which we have used before. And you have some spelling sentences and journal writing as well. So I hope everyone has a great day and a lot of good work is done. And I will talk to you later. Have a good morning, guys. Bye.